There are a number of features on the Alcatel-Lucent OXO Connect system that can only be accessed through a phone that has been designated as an operator station. This video covers the most commonly used operator features, such as how to change the name associated with a phone or reset a station's password. For basic features, see one of our additional videos linked in the description below. An operator station can be any Alcatel-Lucent 8038, 8039, 8058S, 8068, 8068S, 8078S, or 8088V2 that has been designated as an operator station in the system programming. You can tell if a station is designated as an operator station when the operator option is displayed on the menu tab. We can see the operator key right here. Reassigning a phone as an operator station may require assistance from your installer. Messages left in the general mailbox will trigger the blue LED on the operator stations the same as messages left for that extension do. You can see that flashing in the bottom right here. When we press the messaging key, we can see we have the typical voice message option. And below there is a second option that allows us to access the gen mailbox or the general mailbox. If this station was not designated as an operator station, the general mailbox option would not be available. To access the general mailbox, we'll select that option, and now we're prompted to enter the operator station password. The operator password may be different from the password in individual programs for their mailbox. If you don't know the operator password, consult your system administrator. I've set the operator password to demo1478, so I'll enter that, capital D-E-M-O 1478. And from here we can listen to the message. Press OK and play. Turn that up and we'll play it again.
This is the test message left in the general mailbox.
And we can also erase that message here. That message has been erased. Now see, the general mailbox is empty. Cancel back to the main screen. We can also add a contact to the system directory from an operator station. Once a contact has been added, they can be accessed from any phone on the network through the dial by name directory. This can be helpful for adding common contacts to the system directory, such as customers or vendors. To add a contact, navigate to the menu tab and select Operator. From here we enter the operator password, which for this system is demo, capital D-E-M-O 1478. Select OK. And from here we select COM speed from the operator menu. To create a new listing, we select New, and from here we start entering the name for the contact we'd like to add. The name field at the top is typically the user's last name. Most importantly, this is the field used by the dial by name directory when searching for contacts. So we'll start by entering the last name of the speed dial I'd like to program. Use the navigation array to scroll down to the first name, and now I'll enter the first name, and select OK. Next we enter the number we'd like to program with this contact. Select OK. And that has been accepted. So now if we cancel back out to the main menu, we can use the dial by name directory to search out that contact. So if we type demo, select OK. Here's all the demo names that are found in the system. If we scroll down, we can see the demo studio that we've just programmed. If we select that and press OK, we can connect a call.
For calling Icon Voice Network. We can also be reached at iconvoicenetwork.com.
Use the on-hook key to release that call. Now, since we've added the speed dial through the operator station, the new entry will be accessible from any phone on the system. If we'd like to edit an entry, we go back to the menu tab and select Operator. Enter our password. And select OK. Again, we select Common Speed Dial. To search the system for the entry we'd like to edit, press Go To, and from here we enter the last name of the entry we're searching for. Select OK. Now we'll scroll down to our demo studio number we just programmed, and we'll select that. Press OK. Now this screen shows that we have the studio demo station selected, so press Modify to make our changes. And on this screen we can edit the name. I'll move to the first name field using the navigation array. I'll scroll over here to the end, use the keyboard to delete, and I'll change this name to Lab. Press OK. OK again to accept. If the number needs to be changed, it can be done so on this screen. If no changes are needed, press OK, and the change will be accepted. We can now see that the Demo Studio speed dial number is now Demo Lab. Cancel out to the main menu. Now, to delete an entry from the system directory, we're again going to go to the Menu tab and select Operator. Here we'll enter the operator password, Demo 1478. Select OK. To delete a speed dial entry, we're going to select ComSpeed and Go To. From here, we'll enter the last name of the speed dial we'd like to delete and select OK. We're going to delete the Demo Lab speed dial key we programmed earlier, so we'll select that and press OK. Now from here we can modify. So select Modify and Clear. That clears the name out of the entry. Select OK, and now clear the number, and OK. That change has been accepted. So if we cancel out to the main menu, and we search Demo, not on this page, and not on the next page. That speed dial has been deleted. Back to the main menu. To edit the system clock, we start by going to the Menu tab and selecting Operator. From here we enter the operator password, Demo 1478, and select OK. Next we select the clock option, and from here we can see the date and time that the system is using. We can use the navigation array to scroll over to any digit we'd like to change, and use the dial pad to change the numbers. Select OK, and that change has been accepted. Two things to bear in mind when you're editing the system clock. The date is formatted in day, month, year, so make sure you don't accidentally swap the day and month positions in the entry. And secondly, there is no option to designate AM or PM on this screen, so the time needs to be entered using a 24-hour clock. So if I want to change this clock to 1 PM, we'll scroll over to the appropriate digit and enter 1300. And select OK. That change has been accepted, and you can now see in the top, the time shows 1 PM. So if I want to change that back to 11:45, I'll select Clock, scroll back over to our correct digits, 11:45, select OK, and the top right of the display shows 11:45 AM. Cancel back out to the main screen. To change the name associated with the station, we go to the Menu tab and select Operator. Here we enter the operator password, Demo 1478, select OK. Now we select Subscriber, and from here we're prompted to enter the extension number we'd like to edit. I'll enter the extension number of my test phone here, sitting next to me off camera. It's 1148. And now we can see the station parameters that can be edited. To change the name, I'll select Name, and from here we can make changes to the station name. The name field is typically the user's last name. Most importantly, this is the field used by the dial by name directory. So if I select Clear, it'll clear the entry, and I can enter the new name that I'd like to name the station. Last name Smith. Use the navigation array to scroll down to the first name. For the first name, we'll enter Roger. And select OK. And that change has been accepted. And you can now see that extension 1148 is now named Roger Smith. Now that that's accepted, we'll cancel out to the main menu. A very handy feature of the operator station is the ability to reset the password of any station on the system. This is great if you'd like to reassign a phone to an employee, but the station password has been lost or forgotten. To reset a password, we go to the Menu tab and select Operator. Here we enter the operator password. Select OK. And from the operator menu, we select Subscriber for subscriber options. Next, we're prompted to edit the extension number we'd like to edit. I'll enter the extension number of my test phone off camera next to me here, 1148. And now we can see the station parameters that can be edited. To reset the station password, select PWD-RES, that password reset, in the bottom right. We're asked to confirm the change, and once we select OK, the password has been reset to the default system password. The user will now be able to initialize their mailbox and assign their own password to their messaging key. See the links in the description below for a video on how a new user can initialize a mailbox. Many systems utilize night mode to play different messages and options for incoming callers during off hours. If your station has a night mode programmed, it can be enabled and disabled manually from an operator station that has a night mode key programmed on the phone. This phone has a night mode key programmed on the main screen, so to enable night mode, I select that key and enter the operator password when I'm prompted. Demo 1478. Once the password is entered, we get a confirmation from the phone that NR mode has been accepted. We also have a checkbox confirmation on the screen showing us that the system is currently in night mode. To remove the system from night mode, select the night key, enter the operator password, and the screen confirms that night mode has been turned off. Auto attendant greetings can be recorded and updated through an operator station. When recording new greetings, make sure any direction given to incoming callers adheres to the existing system programming you already have in place. For instance, if your system is programmed to have incoming callers sent to the general mailbox when they press 8, the operator station cannot make a change in the system to designate 9 as the number callers need to dial in order to reach the general mailbox. There are 3 recordings we are going to edit for this demo: the day message, the night message, and the goodbye message. The day and night messages will play when the system is set to day or night, and the goodbye message is played prior to a call being released if it is timed out. To edit the auto attendant greetings, go to the Menu tab and select Operator. From here we enter the operator password and select OK. Now we select Expert, we scroll down to select VMU, and from here we select Auto AT for Auto Attendant. Here we are presented with the day, night, and goodbye auto attendant messages. I'll select Day to edit the day message. And here there is an important distinction to keep in mind. If your message does not have any prompts to dial digits, record your message in the first option, named Greeting. If your recorded message includes prompts to dial extension numbers or any other digits, you'll need to record a brief silence in the greeting and scroll over to the main menu option in order to record your daytime auto attendant message. This is because the system is not ready to respond to any dialed digits while playing the greeting, only while playing the main menu. We can use the prompts on the screen to listen to the existing recording and to record a new message by pressing record. So we select record, and we can now press record again to record our new message. Thank you for calling Icon. All our operators are busy, but for a directory listing, press 9. Press the stop key to stop recording, and we'll select OK, and that has been accepted. If we had any submenus programmed in this auto attendant, we could also use the navigation array to scroll over to those and record them as well. This system doesn't have any programmed, so the default message is all that is saved. I'll press the C key to back up a menu level, and from here the same procedure can be followed to edit the night message. I'll choose night, and again, if your recorded message includes prompts to dial extension numbers or any other digits, you'll need to record a brief silence in the greeting and scroll over to the main menu to record your full nighttime auto attendant message. We can use the prompts on the screen to listen to the existing recording, as well as to record a new message. I'll press record, and record again. Thank you for calling Icon. You have reached us after hours. Press 8 to leave a message in the general mailbox, or try us again tomorrow between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Press stop, and OK to confirm the recording. And the recording has been accepted. If any sub-menus for the night auto attendant need to be recorded, they can be added by using the navigation array to scroll over to the sub-menu option. This auto attendant doesn't have any programmed, so the default message is all that is saved. Press C to back up a menu level. And from here, the goodbye message can also be recorded. This goodbye message plays when a caller is timed out of the auto attendant and is about to be released. So if I press goodbye, we can record that, select record, and record again. Thank you. Goodbye. Select stop. We can listen to that, confirm we did an okay job recording.
Thank you. Goodbye.
And if we're satisfied, we can press OK. And that greeting has been accepted. Now when we call into the automated attendant, the new messages that were recorded will play for us. So back out to the main menu and dial the auto attendant.
Thank you for calling Icon. All our operators are busy, but for a directory listing, press 9.